In this video, we're going to go over some of the IGES import settings in Part Modeler R2. To get to these settings, I'm going to go up to Tools, Options, System, and click on the Translation tab. If you look up at the top, you can see the IGES import settings. These are the settings used when bringing in an IGES file. The Sew Surfaces is going to sew the individual surfaces of the IGES file into a solid model. Since that's unchecked, that won't happen. We've also got healing options here, which is a new feature in R2. We can heal the part, which will attempt to fix imperfections between the surfaces, or simplify and heal. I'm going to leave it at off for now. Now we're going to bring in the model. I'm going to go Insert, IGES File, and we're going to choose Cavity IGES. When I open the model, it goes through the process, and as you can see, we've got multicolored surfaces. What that means is the model is not a solid model. It's a collection of individual surfaces, which you can see here. We're going to try again, though. We're going to bring in the model with new settings. So I'm going to close off this model and not save it. And then I'm going to go back and come up with a new model, and we're going to change the import settings. So we'll go back to the Translation tab, and I'm going to check the Sew Surfaces box so that it tries to stitch the surfaces together. Once again, back on the healing options, if we leave it off, it doesn't attempt to heal the individual surfaces together if there's imperfections between them. If we click on Heal, it will do that, and if we click on Simplify and Heal, it will try to make the model simpler by addressing prismatic surfaces mainly. So in this example, I'm just going to click on Heal. We've also got a Translate Sheet Bodies checkbox. That means that if you have a sheet body that's really not part of the solid model, it will bring it in or not bring it in. We don't have anything like that in our model, so I'm going to leave that unchecked. I'm going to apply these settings and click OK. And now we're going to insert the IGES file again. We go through the same stitching process that we did before, and in this case, as we go through it, we're going to come out with a solid model. Now if you look at this, it's all one color, and if we go over to the assembly, you can see that it's an imported solid with just one feature. So the next time you need to import an IGES file into Part Modeler, take advantage of these stitching and healing features.